Hello people, good day. Join me as I try this miracle lounge here at Suvarnabhumi Airport while waiting for my flight to the Philippines. This is the entrance area where you are required to show your QR code. I got mine for free at trip.com. They have this display to monitor your flight status. I love coffee and ice cream, so this station caught my attention and I decided to get myself a chocolate flavored ice cream. They have a variety of drinks in here. They have this one as well here. Nice. Fresh juices. These are for the chicken rice, or what you call here khao man khai. They have a queue. And then they have this one. It's nice. There's a chef cooking your khao man khai. It's a freshly cooked khao man khai or chicken rice. And then they have this one here as well. This stir fried vegetables. They have this roast pork, black pepper sauce, green curry with chicken, steamed rice, the staple of Asian dish, rice. And then this one we have the potato cream soup, and they have a croissant. This side they have this one, vegetable sandwich, cream cheese sandwich lang pala, chicken bologna sandwich, and then sandwiches. You can toast it here. They have here the butter, and then cereals and fresh fruits, and they have the salad bar as well. Let's get the roast pork. This dish is really good that I have to take another plate with the sides of broccoli. You must try it. Okay. And then let's get some vegetables. Broccoli is life. And then more broccoli. That's it. Then we'll try the soup later on. I will also try their latte. You can also use the 3-in-1 coffee if you want. This one, they have this 3-in-1 in here, or you can just try it on a machine. It's better. Working comfortably while waiting for my flight. Thank you for watching. Bye.